Wait, let's get the before.
Where's the fourth one? You gotta put this on video, dude.
They're all there.
Justin, you wanna kind of...
Hey, Randy, go on that side. There you go.
Alright, this is
Hold on,
recording.
It's on camera, you don't have it on record.
I'm recording.
I want mine that just
I'm
still
getting out
on
of the way before
camera.
you should
Oh,
do
that's
it.
all you
Too
want?
bad.
Yeah. You get video.
We got video.
It's getting creamy, so...
This is bad because you can't back up and get away from it. You're like totally
You're gonna smack your head into the brick, and that'll even be more funny. Bleeding, gushing out. The first aid kit ready.
Alright, are we ready?
I think we're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
Nice, top of the head.
Looks like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Do it.
Good. Alright, hit me with it.
Wait, is there more?
That's gross. It's so cooling though.
Oh, you're just gonna drip it?
Are you gonna drizzle it on him now?
Alright. You guys done, or is there
Is
more?
that it?
No, there's some more. Alright.
Oh, that's nasty.
I like that.
It's not even recognizable.
Alright.
Is my hair short?
No, don't watch off my foot.
Nice.
I'm blinded.